Today we're going to install this flag mount holder on the FJ Cruiser. It mounts here. The piece is just a little plastic clip that just slides in place. You just reach in underneath, just pop it out. It leaves you this. Clean that up. The new piece, the bolt goes right through this hole right here. So I'll keep this piece in case I ever decide to take the mount off and return it back to factory. It's an Allen key and a 10 mil wrench. Slides right in. Just like that. Locks right into place. So getting that nut started was a little bit of a pain, but once it started, it's all good. There's that nut. Lock that down. Nothing's locked down yet, but I'll lock everything down and it'll be installed. Easy, less than 10-minute mod. It is installed. Super easy. It's got 2 holes, so I can do a antenna mount there and a flagpole, or I can throw a light on there. Stay tuned for the install video of the external MOLLE panels. That video will be coming out shortly.